Hey, what is up everyone, welcome back to brand new video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you a more VMOS Pro's video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use VMOS Pro with Android 12. I'm going to be sharing with you VMOS Pro with Android 12. VMOS Pro Lite is not actually VMOS Pro, it's just the customized version of the VMOS, a Lite version, and it's gonna be with Android 12. It's gonna be working on any Android device or any Android version. It's going to be with SS, Google Play Store as well. It's gonna be working. Expose the installer as well. It's going to be working. I think it's gonna be available on the description of the video, and let's get into the video. So as I just said, I'm gonna be sharing with you VMOS Lite version with Android 12, 32-bit, and it's gonna be working on Android device, on Android version. It's gonna be with SS, Google Play Store as well. It's gonna be working. So first of all, before you start download, before you install this version of the VMOS Pro, I highly recommend you to activate these settings. So click the setting icon of your Android device, scroll down to the last option about device. We need to activate the developer option. So to do that, scroll down to the last option, find this option which is saying about device, software information, in my case. Now you're going to click right over here on build the number around 7 times to activate the developer option. Once you did that, you will have the developer option. Unlock it. It's going to be on the last option. I highly recommend you to do this process, or this version of the VMOS Pro, this version of the VMOS will not work on your Android device. So make sure to activate the developer option and make sure to turn it on in the corner. In some case, in some device, used to be to turn it off. So make sure to turn it on if it is turned it off. Okay, so on developer option, you're going to scroll down. You need to activate some setting. Scroll down. Here on window animation skill, make sure to turn the animation off, transition animation as well, turn the animation off, animation duration, turn the animation off as well. Window animation skill, put the animation off. This will not harden your device. This is only going to help you to run this version of VMOS Pro on your Android device without fails. Okay, turn the animation, disable the animation. Alright, scroll down, make sure to mark this option which is saying for CGPU render. If you on your Android device this option is not available, you don't need to worry about it. You can skip this option, it's not a problem. Scroll down, make sure to enable this option as well, which is saying turn on for XMSAA, enable by clicking that over here in this icon as well. If this option is not available on your Android device, you don't need to worry about it, you can skip, it's not a problem. Scroll down here on limit pre-currency process, mark clicking on it and mark almost a true process. Mark almost true process if your Android device have a 2 GB of RAM memory or higher. If you have there on your Android device 1 GB of RAM memory, or to mark a most one process. If you have 2 GB or higher, mark a most 2 process. So okay, so once you did that, you're going to download the link is gonna be available in the description of the video. You need to download a two application, the VMOS Pro and the Shell, which is going to help you to run the VMOS Pro with Android 12 on your Android device easily. I'm gonna be giving the link in the description of the video. You can download it from there. Download the VMOS Lite, this one over here. It doesn't have a virus, you don't need to worry about it. Just download, install it on your Android device and just open the app. Okay, I have it already installed on my Android device. The link is gonna be available in the description of the video. As I said, download, install on your Android device Okay, so it's going to be just like this. It's a customized version. Just download, install on your Android device. It doesn't have a virus. It's going to be asking you to give the permission to the VMOS, to the app, just to give you all the control to the application. You don't need to worry about it. It will not harden your device. Okay, so once you did that, once the application is started, it's gonna be just like this. As I just said, root access is gonna be working perfectly. It's going to be installed. Okay, so if the root is not enabled, if the root is not working, open this the setting icon. You're going to click right over here on the root option, and you're going to enable the root by clicking right over here in this icon in the corner. By doing that, it will ask you to restart the application. Restart now to apply the root access on your VMOS Pro. On your VMOS. Open the app again. Okay, so now run the root checker to find out if the root is installed to working perfectly. As you can see, root access as you can see, root installed working perfectly. A VMOS Lite with Android 12, latest version of Android system. As you can see, about phone, Android 12, Android version, Android 12 installed working perfectly on VMOS Lite. The link is gonna be available in the description of the video. What we have to do just to download, install on your Android device. You don't need to worry about it. Will not harden your device. Doesn't have a virus. It's working perfectly, as you can see. Okay, so that was the video stuff from here. This video help you out. If this video help you out, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. I leave the notification to get notified about no video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.